In this video I will show how to install additional toolbox in Matlab. For example, when you install Matlab initially, you may not install all toolbox. So sometimes for any Matlab programming you may need additional toolbox. For example, in my programming I need carb fitting toolbox, but I found that I didn't install carb fitting toolbox. So now I'll show how to install carb fitting toolbox, or you can install any toolbox. So then first you need to go to the location, go to the path where you downloaded Matlab. So now I'm going to the path where I downloaded the Matlab in previous. So you can see the Matlab in here, the path from downloads, then Matlab 2016b something. So I need to write this sudo./install, then need to put the password in my Ubuntu computer. Then now you can see the Matlab installation process is running. So go to the next, then the license agreement, yes, and then go to the next. Okay, then you need to put your email address and password that you used in your MathWorks account. Okay, so now you can see I only installed like Matlab 9.1, but if you click, then you remove all things. Okay, now I am trying to figure out where this toolbox, carb fitting toolbox, in here. So carb fitting toolbox that I want to install, and then go to the next, and you can see this carb fitting toolbox that I need to install. So the installation process, for installation process, go to next, install, and this way you can also install any toolbox that you need. In my case I need carb fitting toolbox, and finally this toolbox is activating, and you can also write your username. Yeah, so my login username is Alamgir, and confirm, and this activation is complete, and finish. Yeah, so this way you can install any additional toolbox. Then you can use that functions of the toolbox, in your MATLAB programming. Thank you for watching.